This is a note I got from them. I got some, looks like some freebies. This is pretty nicely decorated. So I have pieces of paper here, some pet tape, washi tape, some papers. So that's pretty nice. I haven't bought stamps in like I think 2.5 years. It was the end of 2019 was the last time I bought some stamps, so it's been a while. So these two stamps are by an artist or a designer called Two Raccoons. This one and this one are by a designer called Bonfan. It's on the side. This one is by a designer called Nairat. And then this last one is by a designer called Jocelyn Padilla. I also ordered a stamp pad by a website called mlovewell. So these are the stamps, and basically I'm just gonna test them out on different pieces of paper. I also want to test out. Let's see. I'll test this one out first, the one by Jocelyn Padilla. This is how the rubber part looks like. I'll actually use this one as well. It says impossible and imperfect. Oh, that's beautiful. I really love that. And I think I will use this piece of paper over here. Of this other one by Bonfan. So I will say about this ink pad, it has it's like, it's not flat, it's dome shaped, and I'm not used to ink pads like that, so far it seems to go well though. Very pretty. And then this last one by Two Raccoons. And this one is, it's a We Write to Taste Life Twice. To the happiest memories now and forever. This is very gorgeous. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And for stamps like these, I've actually, I think I prefer ones that look like this, the rubber, instead of this, if that makes sense. Just because this one I think is easier to clean. So yeah, that's it. I have these. And so it was a total of like 6 stamps, and I think the designs are very pretty, and they translate to paper pretty well too.